Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play UFC 4 online. It's important to understand that for most console games, including UFC 4, online multiplayer requires a subscription service. On PlayStation, this service is called PlayStation Plus. Without an active subscription, you generally cannot access the online features of paid games. We'll explore what this means and what alternatives are available for enjoying UFC 4. PlayStation Plus is Sony's premium subscription service, essential for unlocking the full online potential of your PlayStation console. It allows you to connect with friends and other players in online matches across countless titles, including UFC 4. Beyond online access, members enjoy a curated selection of free games every month, cloud storage for game saves, and special discounts on digital purchases. It truly enhances the PlayStation experience. While online play requires a subscription, UFC 4 still offers a wealth of content to enjoy offline. You can dive deep into the immersive career mode, building your fighter from the ground up and striving for championship glory. Gather your friends for exciting local multiplayer bouts, competing head-to-head on the same console. Plus, hone your techniques in various training modes and unlock new content through single-player achievements. It's worth noting that while most paid games require PlayStation Plus for online play, some free-to-play titles might be an exception. However, UFC 4 is a premium game, meaning it adheres to the standard requirement. Always consult the game's official information or the PlayStation Store page to confirm online access requirements. Regardless of the game, a stable and reliable internet connection is always crucial for any online gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.